What is up guys, Tan at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Slack to your n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials, and after that, after clicking on create new workflow, you need to click on add first step and search for Slack. After searching for Slack, click on this and then choose any of the trigger. After choosing the trigger, you need to click on select credential and then click on create new credentials. Now to get the access token and the signature secret, you need to head over to the api.slack.com/apps. From here you can create a new app or you can just simply generate a token. After clicking on generate token, you need to choose a workspace and then click on generate. After clicking on generate, your new token will be generated. So just simply copy this and the token expires in 12 hours. So after that, your token will be expired. As you can see, I have copied. I'll just simply paste my access token. And now for the secret key here, you will find it here. But if you can't find it here, you need to click on create new app and then start from scratch. After that, you need to enter your app name and you need to pick up a workspace. After that, click on create app, and after clicking on create app, here you can see the client ID, the client secret, the signing secret, and this is the signing secret that we want. We'll just simply copy it, and after copying, you need to head back to n8n and then you need to paste it. And after that, as you can see, the connection has been tested successfully. So this is how you can connect your Slack account to your n8n. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.